Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. Today I'm working on my office. This is the before, now's the after. Guys, I'm currently preparing for my nursing state exam. Quality of study, it's my priority. And I want to say big thank you to Flexispot that's sponsoring this video. You guys can check the website for more style in other colors. The thing that I like the most about the desk, you can put it up or down as you please. You can use it manual as you can see, or you can auto set it. So the option, it's up to you. So you can just set it up, and when you want to go get a book or something and let it go up by itself. I had a fall 2 years ago. This desk is the best thing ever happened to me. Whenever my back start hurting me, I'm able to put it up. For those of you that suffer back pain like me, you won't regret buying it. You have the option to plug your phone, your computer, whatever you prefer. I like the top of my desk super sleek and clean. This drawer gives me option to store all my stuff. I'm in love with my desk. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to work. So easy to put together. As you can see, I didn't have no help. I did it all by myself. It has a easy return form, a manual instruction. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below, guys, for you to check it out. You may be short or tall, this desk will work for you. Keep on watching. There's nothing more refreshing than a clean house whenever I have my day off. And that's the first thing I do. I wake up in the morning, I drink my coffee, and do 2 hours of study. After my 2 hours, and I clean. And right now, since I have my office, I will do more than 2 hours. I don't have to go to the library. I can just stay home and enjoy my study. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna let the music play. Keep on watching.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool.
If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share it, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. And for all my return subscribers, thank you so much. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys. Keep on watching. This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And the door behind the chair, it's a closet. It's not the front entrance. I might switch it later on, but as of for now, I'll keep it this way because I'm loving it. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below, guys. You can check it out. Don't miss on this great offer that they have going on right now. So be sure to check it out.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me Ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I'm onto you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. And I'm truly grateful for all of you guys, and I'm going to study my best. Okay guys, it was all for today, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.